guys, welcome resonates with you, maybe the science or maybe your situation. Please write in the comment section because I love to read your comments and I always read. Okay, that's all I have for you, nothing else. Okay, then let's start your reading. We have three piles as usual. Pile number 1, red heart. Pile number 2, this blue and green heart. And pile number 3, this yellow heart. Whichever pile you are intuitively attracted to, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and meditate on the pile and then you can choose. Okay, so let's start your reading. Pile number 1. So whoever chose this red heart, let's see what are their current energies, what are their person's current energy, current feelings. Let's see. Okay, spirit guides, angels, please guide us, please give us some guidance. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What is happening in pile number 1's life and what is their person is thinking about. Hope you can see the cards. Okay, now let's see. Let me arrange the cards. We have here Two of Swords, the Devil, Queen of Pentacles, Temperance, Ace of Swords and Six of Cups. Okay. So I can see here strongly Sagittarius and Capricorn. Also I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very few of you will have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And some of you will have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So that's all I can see here. Okay. Let me see the cards. Your person is little bit confused towards you, whether it is a man or a woman or okay. So this person is right now in a confused energy. He is blindfolded. He is not able to choose. Actually, this person is having two options in his or her life. Then this person is blindfolded. He is not able to decide what to do, how to proceed, where to go, which direction to go. So both options are there with him, and also his feelings and emotions are very much confused emotions. Okay, this person want to say something but he is not able to say because he is not able to decide something. Okay, so this person is confused and simply he is not taking any action, sitting and thinking, that's all. Okay, but this person is very much attracted towards you with devil energy meaning, so this person is obsessively thinking about you, highly passionate, sexual desires, physical attraction. So this person feels like he's chained to you. This person feels like he or she can't live without you. So obsessively thinking, like devilish energy, dark energy. So this person sometimes he feels that whatever it may be, I want this person, I want this person in my life, that's all. Okay, but this is little bit negative energy. I can feel that this person is little bit angry also, passionate also, because of swords energy is there. So this person is a little bit angry, little bit passionate towards you, and his burning desires are there. Okay, so this person may be not able to see, not able to, sorry, sleep, and this person is always constantly looking at you. Maybe this person is stalking you, or maybe this person is looking at your WhatsApp status, Facebook, all the social media this person is stalking. And the good side is this person is waiting for you holding a coin. Okay, you can see this Queen of Pentacles. So this person is waiting for you with a coin. But I feel that this person is having already a karmic partner. I can see a child also in this picture. So this person maybe is not able to decide. There is one child in this person's life. Okay, maybe he is already married or she is already married, mother of a child. So for some of you I'm saying, okay. So maybe some of you, this person is already married and have a kid also. That is the reason this person is not able to decide whether to leave the karmic partner and come towards you. Because of this devil energy, this person is definitely highly attracted towards you, and he wants to come towards you, but he feels that he is stuck right now because he is not able to decide what to do. Confusion. Okay, no, lack of clarity. Maybe this person thinks that you are not open towards this person, and you are not expressing your feelings clearly. So that is also there. Maybe this person is blindfolded because he is not aware of your feelings. Maybe you both didn't confess to each other. So that may be one of the reason. But this person is trying to have balance because of the Temperance card. This person is now at present, this person is finding some balance in his life because he's trying to streamline, like I should not be this obsessive, like that he's thinking, and he's planning, like, why am I thinking like this, what should I do? So he's trying to balance this negative energy and positive energy. He's trying to find out, like, whether I am really in love with this person, or is it a physical attraction. This person is not able to find out what it is happening in this connection. So this person is trying to find balance. So this person, even in this picture, he feels that this is divinely guided connection, and he feels that you are his soulmate. That is the reason this person is not able to not able to find balance in this relationship, in this connection. So sometimes he thinks that this is divinely guided, sometimes he thinks that this is just an attraction, physical attraction, passion, that's all. So that is the reason he was unable to find the balance earlier, but right now he's trying hard to find the balance, and he's thinking maybe kind of meditation, or sitting calmly and thinking what it is, what this connection is. So right now this person is thinking peacefully, calm, quiet mind. So this person is thinking, and he's trying to suppress his all devilish feelings. And now he wants to take an action with Ace of Swords. He wants a new beginning in this connection. He wants to cut all the BS, like he wants to cut all the negativity, maybe this disagreements, fights and all. This person want a victory in this connection, and this person is will come towards you a little bit hastily or aggressively, because of Swords energy is there. He wants to know, actually. Maybe suddenly he will pop up, and he might ask you, like, why did you do this? Maybe some people, some of you, maybe you blocked that person, or that person blocked you. So there is some blockage also I can see here. So this person is feeling very like blocked energy. So he wants to come towards you and cut off all these things. Why you have blocked me, what is the reason? Then maybe this next meeting may not be that much peaceful, pleasant, because this person will again start the argument, like why this happened, what is happening. Okay, then I feel that you both are friends, actually, maybe childhood friends. You both are both have studied in the same school or college, or maybe worked in same company, colleagues. Okay, so this person wants that innocent love again. Okay, with the Six of Cups, he feels he wants that innocent energy, pure love, and celebrating together. So this person want all of that in his life. I can see some numbers here, maybe 2, 15, number 1, then 6 and 14. These numbers may be your birthday or his birthday, or the date you met each other, something like that. These numbers might be important for you. So this person wants a reunion, reconciliation, or a new start in this connection again. So because he feels that this is divinely guided, and the hand coming from the sky, or okay, so this card you can see carefully. So this person want to feels that this is divinely guided. Somebody is giving a swords to take charge and move ahead and have victory. So this person is feeling like that. So that is all I have for pile number 1. Let's see the what will be your person's messages. Let's see what your person is feeling and what he wants to say to you. Okay, let's see. Let's see what your person want to say to you. Okay, I have got one card here. I miss you every moment of my life. Okay, so this person is saying, I miss you every moment of my life. So this person is missing you a lot, pile number 1. Then, I wish I had treated you better. Okay, something happened between you. This person chose the other person or a karmic partner, and he didn't respond to you. I feel that this person only blocked you. Okay, so this person is regretting now, and he's saying that I wish I had treated you better. Now let's see one more card. I look for you everywhere. Maybe you both have some memories together. Maybe you had nice times together earlier. So this person is missing all those places wherever you met, wherever you roamed around. So this person is looking for you everywhere. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. But before ending this reading, I would like to take one guidance card for you. I want one guidance card. Angels, for pile number 1, please give some guidance. What is happening in this connection, what they should do. Please give some guidance. Okay, star card. Okay, so there is a hope. Star card means it's a hope. So universe is saying that don't lose hope. Okay, try to concentrate on yourself, try to build yourself, try to be healthy, beautiful, try to maintain your physique, and concentrate on yourself. There is a lot of hope and you can do it, and you are kind of a celebrity for them. They are thinking that you are kind of a celebrity or a treasure for them. So be like a star and be hopeful, the universe is saying. So all the best, pile number 1. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment if the reading is resonated. Okay, yes, let's move to pile number 2. So whoever chose this beautiful blue and green heart, this reading is for them. Let's see what your person is feeling and what are their current energies. Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please guide us, give us some guidance. What is happening in pile number 2's life? What is their person feeling and thinking about them? What are their current energies and what are their mutual feelings? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Cards are jumping. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Communication cards. So many communication cards, friends. So this person definitely want to contact you, want to come towards you. Let's get one more card, then I'll explain, okay? Energies are very strong here. I want only one card, please. Only one card. Yes, very good. Lover's card already came. Okay, Two of Cups. Very good, friends. Let's see now. I can feel that this person, your person, may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Hope you can see the cards. Okay, your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for few. You or your person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and the person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see strongly air signs and water signs more here in this file. Okay, so very few might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, and also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. So now this person is enjoying with his or her friends, celebrating. Three of Cups meaning celebrations, parties, enjoying with friends. Okay, so this person, maybe this person is into third party relationship also, but I can't say that this is kind of a very strong relationship, maybe flirting, playing, that kind of a relationship. But this person is trying to divert his attention, okay, because I can see the next card is Nine of Swords. So this person is missing, he's not able to sleep at night. This person is obsessively thinking about you, and maybe some people, they have some illness also, maybe mental illness or depression, anxiety. Maybe this person is like right now he's hospitalized, and maybe some very few of you, maybe his health is not good. So we can see the person on the bed, and many swords are there. So this person feels very painful in this situation, and this separation also he is feeling very, very painful. And definitely he is thinking about you day and night. He is thinking about you, and he's obsessively thinking about you actually. So we can see he's crying also. Maybe for some of you this person might be crying also because he is missing you, but he is helpless. He can't do anything, he or she can't do anything. And this person is also juggling with two of Pentacles. He feels that this is you both are soulmates, and he's also juggling with two people or two things, maybe his job and this love connection, or maybe finance. He's struggling now. So this person is juggling with two things, and he's really very busy. He might be busy in his life, maybe work he's concentrating. And for some of you, maybe this person lost the job also, maybe because of the corona or pandemic. So this person is trying to juggle with finance, job, career, business. So this person, because Pentacles means it is absolutely money matters, finance, then he's concentrating on that. But when he sleeps at night, before sleeping, he is not able to sleep first of all, but at night he's alone, he's feeling very lonely, and missing you a lot. He feels that he wishes you to be there with him, because he is feeling very lonely, sitting alone at home and crying. Okay, so this is not a very good energy from your person's side. Then this person wants to come towards you with Knight of Swords. He wants to run and come hug you, and he wants to like jump and come towards you. Maybe I can feel that this person might be a long distance from you. Maybe this person is not able to travel because of corona. And also you can see 2 here. So 2 is very much important for you. Two of Pentacles is there, Two of Cups is there. Both of them have infinity symbol. That means you both are soulmates. Okay. So this person is having lot of passion towards you with Page of Wands. Okay, so this person is having lot of sexual energy, then attraction towards you. So this person is waiting. He's just simply standing there and waiting. Page means it is a communication also. So this person want to communicate, and this person want to take action. Okay, Knight of Swords, and this person also want to share his cup of love. This is partnership. Two of Cups means it is sharing cups and sharing the love, sharing the partnership. Maybe you both are friends already. Maybe you both are classmates, college mates, and you may both might be colleagues also. So this person want to have that equal give and take from you, and this person want to express his love also towards you, because this Knight of Swords card represents that this person want to run and come towards you, and he wants to communicate. Very swift communication will come towards you. Okay, so this might happen in the month of September, or yeah, I can see September only, or in next 2 months. Okay, that means September only, August to September. I can see that this person might contact you in the month of September or October. Okay, so he wants to communicate. He wants actually, before communication, this person want to come and meet you also. He is not feeling to communicate in the phone calls or texts or messages. This person want to come towards you directly and take some action and come towards you. Okay, that's all I can feel here, but lot of love is there, lot of passion is there. This person might be enjoying with his friends, maybe to divert his mind, and maybe he is flirting with others also, but it is no deep feelings like he has with you, because this person is into very painful situation, crying for you, and lot of love towards you, because Two of Cups is there. So this person is having lot of love towards you, but he wants to have financial stability also with the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so that's all I can see in this pile. Let's take some messages from your person. Okay, so it says that I was too much in my head. Okay, maybe this person didn't accept. Maybe you tried to confess your feelings, but this person didn't accept your love, or maybe blocking is there. I can feel somebody blocked somebody. So this person is saying that I was too much in my head. Okay, so that time he did not like understand what the feelings are there towards you. So now this person is feeling that I was in too much into my head. Now because of this separation, I can feel this pile, you both are not in communication, not in talking terms, both are separated. So this person is saying that I was too much in my head. Let's see one more. The distance have been killing me. This is true, friends, because I already told you both are separated and you both are far away, long distance relationship. So this person is saying that this distance is killing me. So he wants to run and come towards you. Okay, with the Knight of Swords. Then wishing you were with me right now. I already told with the Nine of Swords. So this person is saying that I wish you could be there with me right now. So he is missing you every time, day and night. This person is missing, and this person is longing for you. He wants you in his life. Definitely this person will confess his feelings, friends. Don't worry. Okay, pile number 2. You are lucky because Two of Cups came, and also the communication cards came. Action card also came. So this person will contact you, he will communicate with you, then he'll take action, he'll confess his love. Let's see the guidance card. Angels, please give us some guidance. What is happening? What is happening in this connection? Please give us some guidance. Wheel of Fortune. Very nice card, positive card. So this card says that wheel is turning towards you into your favor. So now the time has come. Wheel is turning into your favor. So very soon, whatever you are desiring for, maybe it is a love or a marriage or a engagement or meeting or dating. So whatever you are feeling, the time has come. Okay, Wheel of Fortune is a very fortunate card. Then pretty soon your wish will be fulfilled. Okay. That's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Okay, that's all. Then see you in next reading. Let's move to pile number 3. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for them. Let's see what your person's current feelings and energies. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. I don't want so many cards. Lot of pentacles. So many cards are falling. One second, friends. Okay, I can see this 10 of Pentacles fallen down. Okay, let me arrange the cards. So strongly I feel that you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is very much prominent in your reading. Okay, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also you might be dealing with. Okay, this person is currently he's into very sad condition, painful condition, and this person was actually walked away from this connection. You can see this 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups means this person is having some other people in his life, his or her life. Moon means deception. This person is not telling his feelings properly to you, and there are so many secrets in this person's life. Okay, right now he can't move towards you because he is having lot of problems, lot of burdens in his life. So this person is not able to move towards you, and he is looks like he is walking away from this connection. So he is like kind of a player, or this person is thinking that you are a player. Okay, with 7 of Swords card, this is like cheating or stealing things, or like playing, flirting. This person is feeling that you are having some connection with somebody else. That is the reason this person is not expressing his or her love towards you, or his feelings towards you. He is deceptive. But this person may be looking at your social media, or WhatsApp, Facebook, like that. Maybe this person saw you with somebody else, or he saw you that you are moving on, okay, in your life, and you are not thinking about this person. I can strongly see that you both are not in communication. So this person is feeling like 10 of Swords, very painful, and he is not able to move. All the 10 swords poked into his back. He is into dark energy. He is not even looking at you. His face is turned to that side. He is not at all now he want to avoid your thoughts, avoid your presence, or avoid your love, actually, because this person is into very painful situation. 10 of Swords means this person feels that you have cheated this person, and he feels that he is betrayed by you. Okay, but this person is very, very stable, loyal, genuine person, because earth energy is always very, very loyal, trustworthy, and they want you, actually. But maybe something happened, you did it or not, I don't know, but this person feels like you are a player, and you have many other connections also. 7 of Swords, and I can see 8 strongly here. So this person might contact you in the month of August. August is a Virgo season, so that is earth sign season. And this person is holding Page of Pentacles. This person is holding a pentacle in his hand, and he want to come towards you. He want to offer you a gift, and he want to communicate with you. So after this painful ending, so maybe you both are separated for several months, or several maybe 1 year you both didn't talk together, or 8 months you are separated, or 7 months you are in separation. Okay, so we can see here lot of synchronicity here. So you can see 8 and 8, 10 and 10. Okay, 7, 8, 10 is there. So I feel that strongly August and October is very prominent in your life, or 7, 8, 10 numbers are very prominent in your life. Maybe your birthday or that person's birthday, or you both met on that day. So lot of synchronicity. So now this person is concentrating on his own life, like 8 of Pentacles. So he was trying to stabilize his finance and job, career and all. This person want to stabilize his life. So that is the reason he didn't communicate with you. But now I feel that this person's all the settlements and all are done. Only last pentacle is there that he wants to repair. So he's working hard. Now he's not thinking about you. He's working hard to have a beautiful life with you. And you are so lucky that you got the 10 of Pentacles card, that is marriage, family life. And this person might be having a dog also, and maybe this person is having old people at home, maybe mother, father, grandmother, grandfather to take care. And he's thinking about children also with you. He's imagining and dreaming about family with you. And I can see that this person is pretty rich and wealthy, and he want to communicate with you. He want to come towards you with a gift or offer of love or offer of marriage. So this person have very, very strong feelings towards you, and this person is thinking about long-term commitment towards you, and this person want to marry you. And this person is right now is stabilizing all his finances, wealth and all. So this person want to give you luxurious life. Okay, that's all I have for you. Let's see what are your person's feelings. I miss you every moment of my life. So this person is missing you. You can see that 10 of swords is there. So this person is in a very painful condition without you. So this person is missing you day and night, and he is not able to sleep. Okay, then I was too much in my head. Okay, so this person was too much into his head. Maybe he feels that he misunderstood you. You are not a player. Maybe he feels right now that maybe I misunderstood. That's why I was into my head. I didn't talk to you properly, or I didn't treat you properly. Okay, so that's what he is feeling now. I couldn't let you get close to me. So earlier he didn't let you get close to his life because he thought that you are not trustworthy, or you are not a stable person, or you are a player, flirt, and you have many people in your life. That's what, like that he thought, and this person couldn't let you get close to him. Okay, so all these three cards says that this person is regretting that he misunderstood you, and he didn't give you that much value. So now he wants to come back to you. Let's get some guidance card for you, and let's see what angels want to give you guidance. Okay, the moon card. I can see that this moon card, moon is a lot of emotions actually, and moon is kind of a deception also. So be careful. Universe is saying be careful. You also should be open, and that person also should be open because the marriage card came. So you both are maybe will be getting married, and I can see 18 also here. So 18 might be prominent in your life or his life. Okay, so the universe is saying first open up to each other, say your secrets or all whatever you have in your life, everything you share together, because this is marriage card. Marriage means lifetime commitment. So you have to be open to each other, no deception. Okay, so no secrets in this life, in this connection. So universe is saying try to be open. This is moon card, means lot of dark energy. So the universe is asking you to come out of the dark energy, open up to each other, have heart to heart conversation, and then tell your secrets. What do you want? What that person wants. Okay, be open and be happy. Marriage card is there in this spread, so you are lucky. All the best, pile number 3. That's all I have for you. Okay, see you in next reading. If you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If your friends needs any guidance, please share in your friends group also. Okay, that's all I have for you. Bye.